Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to be covering how to activate and get started with the Broadridge and YCharts integration. To begin, hover over the support dropdown at the top of the page, and we'll head to this integrations page. Here's where I'll find all the different integrations and partners that YCharts has to offer. I'll find Broadridge listed here at the bottom, so I'll go ahead and select Manage and then Activate. And here it's going to prompt us to enter in our two API keys from Broadridge. So I can find that here in my Broadridge demo account. I'll head to this Administration tab. Under Profiles and User, I'll select Edit. And then it's this API Keys tab here on the far right that will have my two keys listed. So I'll go ahead and get those copied and pasted off screen here back into YCharts. All right, so with these two keys now pasted in, I can go ahead and select Login. I'll see this is now active if my green check mark here as well to let me know that I am now ready to start using this integration. So to do so, from this Tools dropdown up top, I'll head to the Portfolios tool. Here in the top right is where I'll find our option to import holdings. So I'll go ahead and select that and select Broadridge. Now I can type in, start to search, and select the account that I'm looking to import. So I'll go ahead and select this one, select Import. Now this is going to launch me into the portfolio editor. So here I can review those holdings and their amounts, the cost basis as well. I can also edit different settings on this portfolio like the benchmark or apply an advisory fee. But once I am ready, I can go ahead and select Save in the top right, which will kick off the calculations for this portfolio. All right, with that now calculated, I can go ahead and select this to open it up. This is going to bring me to its quote page here, where I can start to review all the data that YCharts has to offer. So things like performance information, asset allocation, top holdings, risk information, and more. I can also click into these different tabs here for a more in-depth view of that data, or maybe I can start to generate some reports using the option in the top right here. Well, that'll conclude today's video. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to your YCharts support representative.